Hi, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Cup of leadership. What does it take to be a leader? The same questions we ask ourselves every day. What are you ready to give in and becoming a leader? For you to sit on the table of glory, you need weight. Else, you'll be displaced by someone else who is bigger than you. What does it take for you to have weight? The wise man once told me, he said, never pursue money. He said, pursue skill, pursue value. Money is a byproduct of value. So why go for the byproduct? Go for the main juice. Suck the main juice and get what it has to offer you. Today we are going to be talking about value. What value have you given to yourself? What is the essence of your living? Value determines where you're going to be in the next 5 years. I will tell you a short story about myself. A few years ago, while I was searching for value, for those who are very conversant with Lagos State, I will trek from a location called Obawale to Ikeja just to get what we call value. For the whole story short, fast forward 3 years now, after my trekking, I started using the same skill I was going out to learn to put food on my table. That's the essence of value. To become a big fish in the ocean, a shark, you need something that will keep you stable. What is it we're talking about? We're talking about something that will keep you grounded in times of chaos. Something that will keep you unshakable. This is what we call value. Values in terms of morals. Value in terms of skills. All this put together keeps you as a strong and solid man. Essential for the well-being of yourself and for your family. Which ought to be your primary factor, in as much you may plan to expand at the long run. But first, you need to think about yourself and your family. Value is the essence of you becoming a man. So I tell you today, in the business of leadership, in the ups and downs of leadership, value is the currency. The moment you have value, you become valuable to someone who wants to freelance, to someone who wants to purchase your skill. Say, for example, a photographer who has a skill of taking pictures becomes valuable in the entertainment industry. He becomes a person who is being sorted out there. If you don't have value, you have nothing to offer. When Jesus Christ was traveling with his disciples, something happened. He was hungry and he went onto the fig tree. But when he got there was nothing the fig tree could offer him. He said something. He said, from today henceforth, you bear no fruit. In other words, from today henceforth, you become a chaff. You have nothing to offer. It's the same thing. Chaffs are disposed into fire. The moment you have no value to offer, you become useless. You become disposed into fire. Therefore, why not seek after value? Why not seek after putting more value in yourself, in your skill, in you being human completely? But there is no perfect human. But Paul says something, you have to strive to perfection. Therefore, you need to strive to perfection, to add value to yourself. It is very important that in the midst of people, in the midst of things, that you have something to offer. I will tell you a short story. Oftentimes, in the 16th century, during the time of the Renaissance, if you don't have nothing to offer, you are sold in the market. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. But when you have something to offer, even as a slave, you become a man of priority. And priority is one thing that will put you in front of kings. Priority is one thing that will take you to the next level in life. The moment you are prioritized in a garden, you become valuable. You become a man of prestige. You become a man of honor. Value is primary. It is key to you having your foundation as a leader. It is key to you sitting on that table of glory. Value is key to become a leader of success. Thank you very much. Always have time to go to our channel, spread the gospel. Remember, my name is Ado Oyinfola Joshua. Still your cultured man. Thank you.